Ganina na ako naglaway. Ilahang food, caldereta. Mild lang din, mild. Oh, that's SM guys. And then, that is the King's Food Expo. At dyan tayo pupunta. Ayan. Magpa-park lang kami. Hello guys! So we are here at one of the few restaurants here in Cagayan de Oro that offers chiffon meat or goat meat. So alam nyo ba guys, na maraming benefit ang goat meat because it is one of the healthiest meat options in the market. Kasi meron siyang high protein, low fat, high in potassium and iron and vitamin B12. So for those of you who are managing your blood pressure, goat meat is the best option. So guys, explore natin kung ano ang meron dito sa RKDV Kambingan. Let's go!
It started with Eatery before, so Kambingan Japon siya, and then sa Cagayan de Oro. So bali, kadumdum panguban customers na mo na regular customers pa lang, 15-20 years ago, ano siya, kubo-kubo na style. So started with kambing, and then nagdugang din sila input tayo. So ang nakaboom siya is ang kambing, and then the taste na, which is na, ano bitaw ginapangita sa customer na dili ang hit, and then humo kayo. So mauna mong murag considered as original na recipe na. Like branding. Yes po. Ano po siya, mix po. So, let's say for example sa kilawin po, for more on younger na mga meats. Pero so most likely, tanan mo na mo is nasa average mix yun. Bata New Zealand. So this last year pa lang, which is nag-plan ni family as corporation. And sugod sa pandemic, ako ng second owner, second generation. And then pagka 2023 dito, so nag-corpo na din ni. Katong corporation na akong giingon, which is nag-business partner ni sa akong parents. So sila na akong source of supplier sa akong meats. So sila po, sila i-own nila asa sila gakuha. So bali, wala may farm. And then naala may mga, let's say, suki na mga
farmers.
So bali, tanan kambing na mong ginakuha is grass-fed. So dili may gala o mga feeds.
Yes,
okay. Mas lahi ang meat mong god mo. May priority yun na mo na ang taste yun niya is number 1 yun sa customer. Magbalikan niya. Among first branch yun is our main, let's say main branch na sa Makasandig, Upper Makasandig, Buena Oro, or Maandig Avenue. So, mas known siya as Buena Oro, Manggol. So, ang daan na Kambingan is makita ni mo una, and then 100 meters forward, unahan lang makita ang bago na building, which is 2-story building na siya. Di na siya kubo. Kung giplan na ko na sugaton January na ang building, himo na ko siya murag Pinoy style na bitaw, which is more on kubo, or let's say
ShaiTalks like cooking material.
Opo, inana.
Nice po siya kay modern. And then ang inyong display is modern.
Yes po.
Which is, sabi ko, ang linis tingnan.
Opo. Priority po daw lang, ma'am. As a design, bali graphic designer po ako. So, priority na po ang minimalist na style, and then a touch of Pinoy and then modernized. Opo.
What we have here, ma'am, is not a first beef steak. So sa since we have 3 categories, kambing, beef, and native chicken. So we have beef steak, and then caldereta spicy. Since galing kang spicy food, ma'am, no. But for those na di ganag spicy, we also have the regular ones. And then we have here the panik halang-halang and
Halang-halang laman loob.
Halang-halang laman loob. So and also namatay isa sa kilawin, pero sadly walay stock, pero yun ko siya nag-sold out on everyday, ma'am. Group Savers is applicable for both branches, main and uptown branch. However, the only difference is the pricing. May estudyante po diri, ma'am, we lessen the price. Among gi-decrease ang price diri, ma'am, para po affordable po sa tanan. So the reason why we have Group Saver is that aside sa makasave sila, makapili po sa lain-lain putahe. So tuloy na siya kaputahe. Any kambing, native chicken and beef putahe with rice na siya. Tuloy po siya ka rice. And if they wanna add more, pwede na po sa mag-add o additional serving for any putahe. Pwede na po. And if napunta mo tayo family saver, ma'am, and barkada saver, and save na sila up to 200 pesos. So okay na jud kaayo. So tanan na siya kaputahe mao for the barkada saver tanan kaputahe. And then for the family saver up to 6 serving, 6 kaputahe na po siya. So okay na jud kaayo siya makapili and with free sabaw na po ta tinolaan sa inyo.
Unlimited po itong sabaw na.
Oo, unlimited.
Yes po, ma.
So, i-provide mo doon sa
Yes
Oo,
po,
ma'am, para matry ninyo, ma'am.
Sige po. So, hi guys. We are now going to try out ang ilahang, kanina na ako naglaway, ilahang food, caldereta. Mild lang din, mild. Oh, caldereta, this one. The texture is very nice. Sweet siya. Matamis pa talaga ang caldereta. Be? Tamis rin. So, tanaw na ito ang texture if it's soft. Kasi that's, for sure. Ay, humukay siya. Nagkaon ako. Lord, thank you for the food. Kasi diba ang usual nyo gipangita sa beef or kambing na meat is dapat soft siya. Kilala man yun ang Kambingan for that. That's their branding na humok and then wala siya baho. So yung totoo talaga yun. This one is panit halang-halang. So let's try. Hindi ako masyadong fan ng halang na masyado. Pero I'm okay with mild halang. Let's try. Oh my gosh. Lamig kayo siya. Lamig siya. And this one, na halang-halang na lamang loob. So, ayun. Let's try this. Halang-halang na lamang loob. Kailangan ng rice. Oh, lamig kayo siya, guys. Lahan pa rin. And then, they will give you free sabaw. They have sinigang and manok, tinolang manok. Lamig kayo.
Hello mga Cagayanos and around the Philippines and in the world. So ako pala si Villanueva, Chris Villanueva, and I'm the owner of RKDB Kambingan. And I want to invite you to dine with us here sa mga branches na ko. And then Justin Alindong, will introduce you the branches around Philippines.
So hey guys, welcome sa RKDB Kambingan. So we have 2 branches. So our main branch is located at Cagayan de Oro Upper Macasandig, and for our newly opened branch, which is located sa Uptown branch, specifically sa King's Food and Music Expo, Pueblo de Oro. So kita kits and try the best, authentic, and #1 kambingan in Cebu.
That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you are looking for chevon or goat meat, so just visit RKDB here at Uptown, yung isang branch na in Cagayan de Oro. Thank you so much for watching. God bless everyone.